Okay, whatever this lady here is saying is not bad. But how many people have recovered from anxiety disorder? If you're watching me and you have recovered from anxiety disorder, have you tried this thing and have they actually helped? Or even if you're struggling, you have tried these things, have they actually helped? These kind of things only work when your anxiety is just the normal anxiety. It hasn't developed into an anxiety disorder yet. The normal anxiety, it will work. She's saying walk, do yoga, splash cold water on your face, talk to people you love, avoid negative energy. These things only work if your anxiety has not reached the disorder type. But if it has reached the disordered type of anxiety, these things won't work. Me, I tried everything. I tried meditation, I tried exercise, I tried mindfulness, I tried yoga, I tried diet, I tried, breathing techniques, I tried meds, I tried supplements, counting the number of trees around me, counting the number of colors, snapping a band on my wrist, but still, it was not working. Whatever this lady is offering here, they are called coping techniques, and you do them to try. If you're doing them to try and stop anxiety, to try and find relief from anxiety, to try and alleviate anxiety, then they won't work. Especially the disordered type, it won't work, because anytime now you'll be having the intense anxiety symptom, you'll be say, okay, let me do yoga, let me splash cold water on my face, and let me go and walk, and you'll still find that these symptoms are there. This is because this is not how to solve the disorder type of anxiety. How to overcome the disorder type of anxiety is learning how anxiety works, learning the mechanics of anxiety, why you are having anxiety in the first place, the thinking patterns that led you to anxiety, and applying the principles of anxiety recovery. Anxiety disordered type is a different one from what she's saying. So this solution necessarily, they didn't work for me. I tried them, but they didn't work. And if you are doing these things, they are not bad to do them, but ask yourself, why am I doing this? What is the intent behind this? What is the intention? After answering that question yourself, then you will know, am I doing this for short-term relief, or am I doing this to get long-term freedom? Mostly you'll find that you're doing it to find short-term relief. But if you're doing it just because you need to do it, you need to walk. Walking is healthy. We need to walk. Avoiding negative people is healthy. Yoga is good for our body. So are you doing it to try and alleviate anxiety, or you're doing it because you feel that it's healthy? Ask yourself that question.